the one. There is no one else who lifts me up and gives me water from the well, but it's a home that needs to rain away. And once again, I'll open me when all my strength is crying out. So here I am again, waiting to be opened up and broken like a flower in the rain. Tell me what I've got to do to die and then be raised to reach beyond the pain like a flower in the rain. Just when I think I'm safe and warm, I'm led astray. Far too easily, it's always hard for me to say I'm wrong until I know I can't go on. So here I am again, ready to be opened up and broken like a flower in the rain. Tell me what am I to do to die and not be raised to reach beyond the pain like a flower in the rain. Lord, you have searched me and know when I sleep and when I rise. You're familiar with all my ways. Even darkness will shine like the day when you look into my heart. So